Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ondrea with your 10-minute morning workout. No equipment needed in this one, so just grab a yoga mat and let's get ready to move our bodies and have a great day. Come on. All right, welcome back to your safest space on the internet to get fit from home. Very excited to be bringing you this morning workout. If it is the morning for you, good morning, sleepyhead. We're gonna be moving through 5 different movements for 2 rounds. We'll go for 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. This workout is meant to get you moving in the morning. It's meant to get your heart pumping, blood flowing, activate your brain, activate your body, and just get you prepared to have a very healthy day. With that said, your affirmation is going to be, I am grateful for yet another day to get stronger and healthier. All right, we're gonna start with some regular body weight squats. So feet are shoulder width apart. You're gonna squat down and come up. All right, we're gonna go 45 seconds. 2, 1, let's go. So don't worry about going super fast. Don't worry about just trying to go as hard as possible. Just be in the moment. Be grateful your body moves like this and do what you can, okay? This is just about saying, hey, I'm going to keep moving. 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. Okay, next up, we're gonna go for some jumping jacks. So you're gonna go right here. Okay, modification, step it out right here. You got downstairs neighbors, just step it out. All right, 3, 2, 1, come on. Got it. Thick, deep breaths. Get the blood pumping. Ten seconds. 2, 1. All right, next up we're gonna go for a plank with arm rotations. So you're gonna be up in a plank position, and you're gonna rotate one arm, starting counterclockwise, so moving it backwards first. Okay, modification, you're on your knees, and you're here. 2, 1, come on. This is waking up the arms, waking up those shoulders. Activating the core. It's all about starting our days with intention, loosening up those joints so you can practice patience today, all right? With your coworkers, with your boss, and to be able to say, I worked out this morning, okay? I don't have time for this. I'm above this. 2, 1. Great job. Now we're gonna go for a Superman. So lay it on your tummy. All right, arms in a Y formation. Come up, squeeze, and then relax. All right, 3, 2, 1, come on. And just remember with the Superman, you come up and you squeeze your shoulder blades, your lower back, your glutes, your legs. All of that is involved. Just about 10 seconds now, and we're gonna hop it up. 5, 3, 2, 1, Great job. All right, the last move in this circuit is gonna be high knees. So you're gonna be right here. Okay, join me in 3, 2, 1. Come on, we're ready to party today, baby. We got it. Engage the core. And again, don't worry about going super fast. Go at a good pace. Keep your breathing going. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Great job. We're gonna start from the top with those squats. Next up, I always try to keep this a little bit straight. When it's crooked, and I see on the video, I'm like, it's ugly. I don't like it. All right, 3, 2, squats. Come on. I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling like nobody can touch me today. I'm feeling like I am taking care of myself. So that means whatever happens in the outside world, it's not really messing with me. Because I know that I'm doing what I can to control myself. You worry about you, I worry about me. That's what it's about. 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. All right, jumping jacks. But I really do feel that. I really do internalize that. The more I take care of myself, the more I'm like, what's meant for me is meant for me. And I know great things are meant for me because I show that by showing love to myself. Let's go, jumping jacks. Show love to yourself. Self-love is about how you love yourself. So when somebody comes along and they don't treat you the way you deserve to be treated, the way you treat yourself, then you're gonna be like, I'm not used to this. I treat myself at the highest standards. I am the highest maintenance for me. So why would I accept anything less from somebody else? And that could be for anybody. Friends, significant others, co-workers, bosses, all of them. Come on, 3, 2, 1. It's how we stay sane. It's how we keep our mental health. We're gonna go for those plank arm rotations. All right, if you're on your knees, you still have your core engaged. I'm going here, okay? 2, 1. This is just a quick 10-minute workout, and I know it's for the morning, but if you would like to do it every night, you can do that too. If you had a long day, this could put you to sleep as well. Just be intentional. That's all we're doing in our lives. Living with purpose. Purposely taking care of ourselves. Purposely pouring love into ourselves. Almost. 5. Then we're gonna go for those Supermans. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Lay it down. Wide position. Big deep breath. 5, 3, 2, 1. Right here. Up and squeezing. Then we just have those high knees. We're going to be off to a great day, to an amazing, the best day ever. 15. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we high knee it for 45 seconds. Just breathe. We'll get through it. 3, 2, 1. And I forgot to show you the modification for this. We're just marching right here, driving that knee. And use this time to just think about how you're gonna conquer the day, how you're gonna get stronger, how you're going to fuel your body with healthy foods throughout the day, because you're worth turning down some of the bad stuff at work, some of the temptations that you have throughout your day, so you can be better in the future. We're not thinking about short term, thinking about long term, longevity, okay? Come on. 3, 2, 1. Big deep breath in, breathe out. And that is your morning workout. Great job. I hope you have a great day today. Set those intentions. Let it be known. Go talk to yourself in the mirror after this. Look at that person and say, you are strong, you are worthy, and you are going to get stronger and healthier. That's the only thing that you can do today. All right, manifest. Speak into existence. I just spoke into existence for you. If you like this workout, join the Peace of Fitness community. Join the tribe, subscribe to the channel, bring y'all all types of new workouts. Let me know what you would like to see in the future in the comments. Share this with your family and friends if they're starting a fitness journey too. Tag them along and say, hey, I'm doing this every single morning. Let's try and do this for a week. Okay, it's all about bringing other people together. Once we start our journey, it's bringing other people in and letting them know they can feel just as good as you feel right now. Hey, I can't wait until next time. But until next time, let's do my little dance. We're gonna have a great day. Peace. I'm out, y'all.
I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, I'm losing myself.